What's up, everybody? Thought I would go ahead and give you a little progress update. I've been messing with this wiring, which is an absolute rat's nest, but we finally got some juice going up here. I've not tried to turn it over because there's very little oil, if any, inside the engine, and I just don't want to mess anything up. But what had happened is here, this was disconnected. Where's that connector? This right here, this was disconnected from the fuse box. So obviously nothing was going to happen. Yeah, this wiring harness is pretty hacked up, but I think I can save it. It's not too complicated. Like I said, there's still some stuff I'm not sure where it goes, but at least we're this far. Which I'm still not getting any lights up front. Bulb looks okay. Maybe something is disconnected. There's this connector, which I can't find where it goes yet, so I'm gonna have to look at the wiring diagram. And I've got a new switch on the way because this is currently how we've got, power. So we'll get that taken care of. Then we'll go ahead and order the stator here. I took this off yesterday, take a peek in there, so we'll get that, get a new switch because I hate this rigged up stuff. And I'm just going to try to clean this harness up the best I can, and then get some oil in the bike and give it a shot and see what happens. I did work on the carbs last night. Still a little dirty in there. Probably have to hit them again. Yep. See, they were kind of dirty. They were absolutely filthy. This is a lot better than what they were, sadly. And I've got the jets soaking over here, and we've got all our floats and pins and all that stuff in the bag here so we don't lose anything. Alright, that's where I'm at right now, guys. I'm going to give these some more cleaning up, wait on some parts to come in, and we'll just go from there. Thanks for watching.